Starting the week of October 26th, which would be next week, week 9, we are going to be accessing and submitting data a little bit differently than we have in the past so that we can eliminate the expectation of 2 screenshots. It'll all be in 1 screenshot. The difference is you will be accessing your data through PolarFlow, which will be a website on your computer. You will still continue to use your sensor and the PolarBeat app to collect your data. However, you will view your data via PolarFlow. So I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to do this and what screenshot you need to submit. You can Google PolarFlow. Once you've done that, click on PolarFlow and it'll take you to the website. I'm going to go ahead and sign out so that I can show you how to sign in. So when you get to PolarFlow, you're going to go to the right-hand corner, click Sign In. Here you're going to put in your email address and password that you signed up for PolarBeat with. So that should have been your school email address and I believe Ephrata PE as the password. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into mine so you can see what it looks like. So basically PolarBeat puts all of your information into PolarFlow, okay? When you're in here, there's a couple different ways you can look at your training. The first is from the calendar, where you would just click on right here to access your data from that training session. Also, if you go to training history, it's just a little bit different of a format. It shows it in the form of a list, and you can actually choose what week or what time period you would like to look at. Okay, so either way, you're going to the same information. So you can click from here, and this is going to take you to your data for that particular session. You'll notice it has type of exercise you did, the date and time stamp that you completed it, the duration of your workout. If you use the GPS feature, that would be here, your average heart rate, your calories, what type of training you did. So if you click on that, it gives you pretty much that little blurb that you would see in PolarBeat. If you click on more, you can write how you feel, and you can actually change the sport if you want to. So just go back to less. What is important here is your fit-fat graph. If you have opened up PolarFlow and you see the heart rate graph, which looks like this, okay, all you have to do is go to the gear button, change to fit-fat, if that's an option, X, and you'll have your fit-fat. So right now, your fitness, this person spent 75% of the time in their fitness zone, which is in or above your target heart rate zone, 39 minutes and 47 seconds, and they spent in their fat burning zone about 25% of their time, and that is below their target heart rate zone, so they spent about 13 minutes. So the information I need would be the time and date stamp and the fit and fat graph. So you will use your snippet on your computer, doing some other work earlier, hit new. You are going to snip from the activity, the date, and then include the graph and the time. Once you have that, you're going to copy it, and then you can paste it into the Create tab in Schoology to submit. If you have any questions or you don't see this when you open up your PolarFlow, please message me so we can get this worked out by next week. Thanks so much.